My number one health tip: grow your own food. I just got my seeds in today. If you haven't ordered yours yet, there's plenty of time, but the time is now. I got mine from So Right Seeds, fantastic company. They have non-GMO seeds. You know where your seeds are coming from when you grow your own food. Knowing that your seeds are non-GMO and heirloom seeds you can grow again and again and again. When you garden, you also know about your soil and if it's been amended or not. You know about pesticides, and you know how much water each plant is getting. It's not only great for you nutritionally. Look at this. I've got parsley, I've got okra, I've got two kinds of okra. I've got more than that. I saw some eggplant packets in here earlier. You're getting so much nutrition physically from it, along with physical exercise, but it's also good for you mentally. Did you know that serotonin is released when you garden? When a gardener gardens and when they harvest, even when they're canning it, serotonin is being released. After the Vietnam War, they encouraged their vets to garden. That was the one thing that they said for them to do. My dad, he's a vet, and he still has a garden today. He is one of the best gardeners I know, and I love the fact that he has taught me everything he knows. So for maximum health, you need to order your So Right seeds today.